G'day everyone, welcome to Hot Bun Aussie. Well, today in the video for Friday, I'll put it out on Good Friday for Easter, and I know here in Australia we're going to overindulge in chocolates and the good old hot cross bun. So I'm just giving you an idea of how to use up those hot cross buns, especially if they're going a bit stale. You make a hot cross bun pudding. It's actually pretty similar to the bread and butter pudding, and it's a great way of using your leftover buns. So we'll get into it and we'll go by the step-by-step process of making a hot cross bun pudding. Cheers everyone. Well, welcome back everyone. Well, there you go, it's a pretty simple process with the hot cross buns. Just with a bit of history about the hot cross buns, have been around for hundreds and hundreds of years, and they used to do just a plain bun at Easter time, but then the Greeks, I think about 6th century AD, started putting the cross on it. But you know, there's plenty of dried fruit and spices in it. Now you will see some other videos out there that, you know, they use the whole bun. I haven't done it. I just cut the top off, cut the cross off, so I can put it back on top of the pudding. But I've used some butter and jam inside for something a bit different. And the reason I cut it up is so when you pour the egg custard in to bake it, it'll soak through all the bread. If you do it with the whole buns in there, you know, unless you leave it overnight to soak, it won't happen. So this way, at least all the egg mixture, egg and milk cream mixture goes through the chopped up bun, and makes it so much better. And I just serve it with a bit of custard. But yeah, it's a great way of using stuff up. And just give it a bit of a taste test. It's lovely. Like I said, I can see that the custard mixture, the egg custard mixture has gone through all the bun. You know, you've got the fruit and the spices and everything, and just a bit of leftover custard I've had for Easter. I've just used that. Very easy, very simple, great way of using leftovers over Easter. So everyone, please hit the like and subscribe button. Please leave a comment below, and we shall see you for the next video. Cheers everyone from Hot Bun Aussie.